say me get a call, YouTube call me, say me get my I forgot Canada go do promotion for one company. Me know me gonna bring my shoes to you, but we can't see what I want.
You know, some things are proud of the chair, but
That's what they call me. Conversation.
So the idea come to me this morning, and I say, yeah, why not execute it? Why not execute it and I'm the prank queen? Yeah, so I get the idea this morning, so I said, alright, let's break it to them. So let's get into the video. What's up guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. You don't know, it's a girl Tira, aka Tyra, aka So British, and today we're back again with another banger. So before we get into the video, I would like you to go over to my Instagram page and follow me at Bianca _everbest. I got this somewhere right so right over, yes. Is it me? Yes, follow me on my TikTok page, which is Bianca Entertainment, just like my channel name. Alright guys, so today we're going to do phone call prank part 4. Yeah guys, so here is it today. I'm gonna call my friends and tell them that, yo, you don't know what going on, mama? You don't know what say? Get the most off of YouTube now. Yeah. Some company from Canada or some overseas call me for the promotion and see their reaction. So guys, let's get into the prank. Just stay tuned. I don't know about to see what I'm going, so I'm calling my friend them right now. The first person we're gonna call is Carissa. Let's see what Carissa has to say about me getting my promotion. Speaker. Hey girl, what's up? What?
hello?
Carissa. Me over happy girl. Me tell us a YouTube did that bust me, you know. You don't know, me just get a phone call so I forgot Canada go do promotion. Me say me just get a call so I forgot Canada go do promotion. One company just call me up, girl. Tell us a YouTuber go bust me, you know. Yeah, girl. Yeah. Girl, I'm gonna be in Canada. Yeah.
My nigga just got pranked.
Please like the video. Yeah, wait. Thank you. Yeah, girl. I'm saying when I come back, I want to bring something for you and Katy. I know I'm going to bring my shoes to you, but where Katy would I want?
You know, some things are proud of the chair, but what baby? Baby. Fuck you. You know what I'm fuck you.
Katy, you got to find where you want, girl, where you want. I made up! Fuck you too. Sure. But then I'm not no no. Bye, bye. Oh god. Guys, you see that next time I have to like dress up, get my suitcase and something, I don't know. Cause them don't say I probably I'm pregnant. Alright, now we'll try it open and see what goes on. Yeah. I almost get them, you know. You know, I almost get them. I almost get them. Hold on. Let me see if I can find a proper number. And say, girl, guess what? Guess what? Ah! Guys, they know me too much. I feel they know me too much. I'm going to do something different for them. Can I buy some? I said no. I can buy some for them. Yeah, let's wait.
Hello?
Hello? What up, girl? But tell us that YouTube did that bust me and girl, me get a call because Canada go to promotion.
What is that?
Atira. Yeah. Yeah, girl. Me say me get a call, YouTube call me, so me get my I forgot Canada go do promotion for one company.
You just got pranked, bro.
Yeah, girl.
Get your book ass on. I'll go by myself.
Yeah, girl. And then you're gonna be the chauffeur. What you mean? Right, that's the girl. Don't. Hard work pay off, girl. Where you there? Where you there? Come on, me have a drink to this. Where you there? Want me have a drink? Where you there? Alright, come lick me look more dog. Where you don't want me bring for you, though? Where you don't want me bring back for you? Me that think about Alright, dog. Alright. Yeah, girl, we are going to make you all that money and come back. But soon call you about me. I've got... Yes, girl. Yes, girl. Johnny, I prank them. Johnny said, when me a call, she'll call you back. This girl got pranked. Hello? I feel like a foreigner. May I start answer hello already?
You're talking to the next digging.
Yeah, girl. YouTube.
Here I come.
I feel good.
Wee. I'm fed up. They can't stop me again. We're going on the road.
Oi. You see what you're doing? Don't let him blood clot here.
What? What the fuck?
Remember that I'll put you on.
Yeah, dog.
I'll put you on.
Nah, left him, mommy. Nah, left him.
You're the blood clot, man. You got a box to get around here.
Why? I wonder where am I going to think about this when I call him and tell him.
You don't call him yet?
No, I call you first, girl. I'm happy. Right, that's a she. Turn on the fan, turn on the fan. Yeah, girl, turn on the fan. Come in, I'm gonna go up there now. Turn on the fan, man. Oh my God! Later you will come. Later you will come. We have a drink to this girl.
You don't have to ask the question about that girl. It's a celebration club back.
Miss said, you wear me happy with there. I beat a one rum cream.
No.
Yeah, we got a road. Yeah, girl.
That's right.
Yeah, girl. Ah! Yeah, girl. Yeah, girl. Yeah. Then time they movie, where you go, girl? Ah! This is mine. And just take the blessing.
Oh my God. Wow.
Don't it?
As a whole heap of prayer, tears, I want to see a tear, man. God bless you now, man. I feel this. This is feel. And nobody can destroy you. Nobody.
Nobody.
Happy your fuck dog, like I'm here, Yago.
I'm here, Yago. In spirit and in truth.
a minute. Who are you?
So me and you go, what do you? Right through, girl, right through. Like purr. Me never see this yet. But there's only one problem. Only one problem we having right now, you know. Only one problem we have right now. You not hear me? I say only one problem we have right now. Only one problem we have. You not hear me? No, you can't call me on another number if you're not charge. Alright, I'm gonna text you. We only have one problem. You got prank. Me and you got Canada girl in spirit and in truth. Me know me gonna catch someone with this, you know. Me know me just catch Carissa. Me just catch Carissa with it. Oh my God, that was a good one. I don't want to shot me the girl. Oh my God, I'm sorry. I love you. Guys, that girl got pranked. She got pranked. She fall fit, you know, she fall weird down in her good say when God, God be a blessing, just hope me hard and take it. Nah, look at she just get pranked. Mother. So let's see what Mama got to say about it. Bear in mind, when I call my mother mommy, so nobody comes to me. She don't like when nobody call her mommy.
Yeah.
What it be? Guess what? Me just get a phone call, so we got Canada go to promotion. YouTube call me. So one company want me a Canada to look for promotion.
Alright, Mama.
Yeah. Girl. So I'll be going to Canada like next weekend.
Weekend?
Next weekend, yeah.
So they will grant your visa, so.
Yeah.
Alright, we can.
But
My baby just got pranked.
Call Rudy. I love you, call Rudy right now. She got pranked. She got pranked. So guys, we're not gonna tell her to prank it. I'm gonna call Rudy first and see if Rudy falls asleep. Let me see. You call your line. So guys, my mother get excited and so call my daughter. Tell her. So I call my daughter and see if I can catch her with a prank. I'm gonna move the catch her. I'm gonna think she'll go for all people. Let's try. What's up? Let's see what she has to say about the good news. Come on, Ikoya.
I'm sorry, but the person you have called is unavailable.
Really, Ikoya? Really?
After the tone.
Alright, so I call up my dad and say, yo, it's a prank. I said, I can't get the camera tell her, you know. One problem I have though, it's a prank. Yeah, call her back. Yeah, I'm going away today.
Yes, my girl.
One problem we have doing wallet. We can't get Rudy and you got prank. Me prank you. I put you up on my channel. Me I can't Rudy now say we can't catch her. I tell her about email. Me have to say, Rudy, you do email me, you know, cause yeah, and Miss Van Cash and everything. I have to say,
Sorry, but the
What's ya?
person you have called is unavailable.
she's not answering her phone,
The
guys.
message after
You
the
cannot
tone.
answer her phone. So alright, let's try somebody else. Okay, so guys, now we are call Chantal and give her the good news. Yeah, we're going to Canada. Hey, Chantal. 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 The phone dead. Oh, what kind of nasty phone this? Dead not the middle of my prank. Oh, what is? Guys, I tell you why we didn't need a new phone for you. My bang of this, so I do that chat with you now. Guys, we are come action. But you kind of turn the camera a little bit. Hold on, so come. Alright, so guys, we kind of have to turn to the other angle because you know the phone is just dead when we are caution. So I have to plug it in and call back because you know the show must go on. So the battery there at 10% now, so we are call back action. Let's see what Shan has to say about this good news. Kind of short. Chantal, girl, but I'm gonna say YouTube are about to be, you know. YouTube just, girl, YouTube just emailed me and said they want me to come to Canada, come do promotion for one big company, girl. You feel it, though?
You just got pranked, bro!
Yeah? Yeah, girl, thanks for the support. Yeah, Mr. Girl. Them still forgot Canada next weekend. Yes, I love that too, girl. I have to drink a rum cream tonight. So, what's the care about for you? You want me to care about something for you? You want me to care about something for you? Alright, because your birthday then near, you know. So, because your birthday then near, so anything we miss you with favor Chantal, let's carry it back for you. Okay, okay, darling. Alright. Yeah. She got pranked. Chantal, you get pranked. Chantal, you get pranked. Sorry. Purr. So I'm prank Chantal, I'm prank Compra, I'm prank Carissa, I'm prank Ketchup, I'm prank Quality, and I'm prank Rudy, no, I'm prank for an hour. Hold up. Hey, what's up? What's up, baby? Well, you not hear me? Yes, me, I hear you. What's up? What's poppin'? Yeah, they're all road. I lie. You know, me have some good news for you. Me have some good news for you. News, yeah, hear me good? You know, some YouTube just emailed me. I said they want me to promotion in Canada. You two just emailed me and said they want me to promotion in Canada for one company. So me I got Canada. Yeah, dog. Yeah, dog.
You just got pranked.
Dog, I'll be going on the Iron Bird, dog.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
And that's why I call up on your new phone to get good news. Belgium. Yeah, come back for your new phone. Guys, the whole of them get pranked. Come on, bottom, I'm the prank queen. Boop, 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 boop. The whole of them get pranked. What me say? All of them. They got pranked. What's the team we could call now? Like, we still gonna try to call about Rudy. Come here, sweat. I can't believe we kept somebody one time. Oh my god. I'm the official prank queen! Yeah! Call about Rudy. Let me call about Rudy. Let me call about Rudy. Call about Rudy. Call about Rudy. Dirt bones. Dirt bones. Dirt bones. Rudy. Dirt bones. Dirt bones. Dirt bones. Call about Rudy. Dirt bones. Answer the phone, miss. Dirt bones. Sure. After me, I dirt bones, the girl on the phone. I'm not good sign this. Guys, I'm not good sign this. Call her back one more time. I know she busy. Think she busy? Call her back. We're dirt bones and call her back. Dirt bones. 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 Hey, good morning. What's up, girl? How are you?
I'm good.
Dirt bunks. But yeah, dirt bunks. Dirt bunks. Dirt bunks. What? Me say, girl, me just get an email. Me just get an email from YouTube. Are you listening to me?
Wait.
Yeah, girl, you have to wait. Yeah. Stop everything you're doing and come. There is my heart. Yes, I will call you back. She busy, guys. Let me a dirt bump and get the heart. Maybe get your prank card. But first, I call Sean until I say that prank. Oh, go on. Chantal, only one problem we have.
What?
It's a prank. You're not figuring out the man, you get pranked. You get pranked, Chantal. Admit the facts. It's Team Tyra. Alright, look more. I said we catch Rudy. My hot door. Nobody does a talk about it, know it's a prank. Me come them in a day face, you know. But she know it's a prank. Chantal lying, she never know. Don't she get pranked, guys? She get pranked, she too lie, but I know it's a prank. I figure it out. You're too lie, Chantal. Chantal, you're too lie. You too lie, man. And stop it. You need no. Sure. Shima, I don't know if this is okay, Shima know my prank queen long time, so I'm going to see if this can work on her. No one a copyright. She might not answer, guys. Give me some color back. Let's call her back. What are the odds though? What we have to lose? Rudy, call her back, guys. Mr. Rudy, let's just get an email from YouTube. Yeah, girl, they said they want to come to Canada and do one promotion for a big company, girl. Yeah, girl. Whoa, that's why they have the dirt bunks. Hey, dirt bunks. Dirt. Eh? What you say? Right now, girl, I'm going to forward it to your email.
My name is gmail.com. We can't believe that.
So you can't believe me, I can't read.
Believe.
Oh my dude, you just got pranked. Bet you didn't see that one coming up.
But I'm just happy.
You're happy? Me happy to girl, but I drink a rum cream.
Did that work?
Ah! I'm drinking a rum cream. Okay, I'm sending it. But still, I said them good girl are advocate, you know. Them bright girl, they are college and them somebody there. And so, and college and so, and high school and I go on next college and it's so. Then I believe them, I said, when I get email to send her? Girl, when I get email to send her? Girl, bye. I said, guess what? We have a problem. The problem is, I don't have any email. One problem we have though. We only have one problem. We can't send an email because it's a prank. It's a prank. I just pranked you. I early morning at the best time for the girl. Yes. Come here, sure. I should read something for Choo. Probably we come true, you know. Because you know anything we talk, I always go some. You got pranked. Bye, girl. Thank you for the video. Let me not get email for some man. We just got. Who's the car back and tell them they're pranked? Yeah. Well, we make her back. She might know. And see if she answer. If she not answer, we'll just do the video right so. Because yeah, we're supposed to get more than 10 minutes of the video, don't we? Yeah. Oh, I don't want to copyright. Let me start that one, yes, so. Like Martin Luther King would have started. My dream is to go to Canada and advertise your big company on YouTube. My dream. Whatcha? The girl answer. Guys, well, I think this is the end of the video because we not get Shima, so I might not think of nobody so I can call right now. We know about my YouTube, like, you know, some I love YouTube like that, and I don't know nobody so I can call right now. You know, so I get a big break. call them boys, you know. You know, I'm going to call him. Hold on there, guys. Give me a minute. Let me pull up his number. And the prank queen. Back. Boom. Guys, right now, I'm going to try to call Dan Boy TK. Because them going to let them can't get pranked, you know. Watch me and him. Let me see what we have here.
Yeah.
Eh, TK.
Yeah.
What one, my G?
Yeah.
Dog, and I know I just get an email.
Say what?
Say, YouTube want me to come do one promotion in Canada for a big company, dog.
Yeah.
Yeah, dog.
But I know. So, can't plan to do.
Eh?
So, we have plan to do.
Me have plan to go on it. Because other YouTuber, me and other YouTuber, they are getting on from town and something.
True, me not get no email like that. So, I'm not doing that.
You don't know? Tell me, I tell you now, dog. If I link the panty where me can bust it, I can bust it, dog.
Sure.
You hear?
Ready for your block?
Me dead on a bar.
Oh. Put you in the phone now, so we can link it.
Alright.
I'll see you around.
You can get prank. I call him back and say, hey, it's a prank.
Yeah.
I just one problem I have though, energy.
What that?
It's a prank.
Yo, don't worry. Yo. I know. I put some quality. Look, you never saw the difference that I put.
It's a prank. You don't look what I can't prank, you know. Guys, we just prank that boy TK. Them love what them can't get pranked. Anybody can get pranked. Yes, they get a prank, an early morning prank at that. Alright, look more. Me catch him. Me catch him. Only one problem we have though. It's a prank. You just got pranked. You just got pranked. Diane told it for me. I want to want to make catch. Wally powder me catch. Wally powder. Me just video. You like home, but I just catch them a while ago. Tell them to me I got Canada. You know you're good girl. I got fly out. You don't know say. I want you to comment below. If you reach this far in the video, comment below prank queen count. I don't know some of the prank queen. Yeah, I don't know that. My name is Safati. Share with your friends. Comment more than one time and let me know if you reach the end of the video, right? You know, we have a comment prank queen. If you don't know, you have to follow me on my Instagram. The link I got that down below in my description. And I would like to give a shout out to Money Pinnock. Yes, that girl that comment the most from my video then. Someone get a shout out to Money Pinnock. Money Pinnock, big up yourself. And thanks for always being here. Love you, girl. Mwah.